Today, I have a very fun, interesting case study that I want to go through with you guys. So today, I wanted to show you a bathroom shower screen or glass screen installer based in Sydney. So they've been with us for not too long now, approaching about 2 months, and they had some fantastic results, as you can see. So this is just looking in January, but we did start in December, took about 2.5 weeks off for the holiday period, and we came back up here on about the second week of January. But we're already smashing it. Look at the results here that I want to go through with you guys. And there's plenty of opportunities for this client to scale up down the track as well. So we're sitting at a pretty comfortable click-through rate. So remember, it's the clicks divided by impressions. How many people have found your ad copy relevant? So they clicked on your ads at about just over 8%. This led to about 39 conversions. How amazing is that? So 39 conversions, including some form fills. We're looking at 11 form fills and multitudes of phone calls. So the client's super stoked. He's had some really good leads, and his calendar is absolutely full this month and moving into next month as well. If you also look at the conversion rate, we're really rock solid about 18%. So this is something that you don't always get to see. Some people will probably be pretty confident with about 10%, but we're sitting about a good 18%. So the website or the landing page that CLIQ Marketing creates for you is relevant, is doing its job to get people to call and make those inquiries, as you can see. Cost per lead here is about $43, and that's pretty comfortable. As long as we're hitting below the $50 mark, the client is absolutely happy. If you want to see results like this and you are in the bathroom renovation or supply business, do let CLIQ Marketing know or go visit CLIQ Marketing, cliqmc.com.au. We look forward to working with you closely. Thanks, guys.